Hello, in front of me I've got SONY XPERIA 5 4th generation. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings. And now enter security. Go to screen lock. And as you can see right here, we've got 5 types of screen locks: non-swipe, pattern, pin and password. We are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone. Let's start with none. Now let's select swipe. Next, let's select pin. Then, let's select password. And in the end, let's select pattern. Once it's done, we can go to Fingerprint Manager. And now we can scan our fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the power button. Simply tap the power button multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Now you can unlock your phone using the fingerprint. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.